Hello to all CMA aspirants. Welcome to our channel Law Wizard Guru. Very important and vital information for all the students regarding the re-examinations date and the results of the CMA inter and final examinations. As I saw the recent live webinar of the Padmanabhan sir, in which he cleared regarding the date of the re-examinations, when the re-examinations are going to be started and the results will going to be declared. So what he said in the live webinar, students, please note it and focus on the things what I'm going to say. So first of all, the rescheduled examinations of the Calicut Center will be done on 8th and the 9th of February. 8th and 9th of February, because the COVID restrictions are there and the rescheduled and the examinations are not going to take place on the center. So rescheduled examinations will be done on 8th and 9th February at Calicut Center. Then after, after 1 or 2 days, at least 11th of February or thereafter, 12th or 13th February, re-examinations will be started. As we all know, the re-examinations will be conducted for next 8 or 9, 10 days. One important things you should all have to be noted, re-examinations के लिए केवल वो ही student eligible होंगे. Only those students will be eligible for the re-examination who faces the technical glitches and reported genuinely to the institutes on the institute's directorate mail ID or help desk ID. One system generated reports will be announced the name of the institutes, name of the students who will be eligible for the re-examinations. So as the Papan sirs clarified that re-examinations will going to be started from 11th of February onwards. As we all know, for the next 8 or 9 days re-examinations will be done. So re-examinations will nearly be completed at least 20th or 21st of the February last. After the completion of the re-examinations, 20th or 21st of February, there will be a cooling period of 7 days. It is the bylaws of the institutes. Results cannot be declared within the 7 days of the last date of the examinations. So as the expected last date of the re-examinations 21st or 22nd of the February as the case may be, then cooling period will be start for the 7 days. Yani ki results will not be declared for the next 7 days. It means results will not be declared till the last of February, yani 28th of February. So it means results will be declared in first week of the March. Results will going to be declared only in first week of the March. So all those students who felt that they will be eligible for the re-examinations and they filed their genuine concerns regarding the technical issues they faces in their examination, their home-based examinations, they have to start preparing for the re-examinations, because the re-examinations are nearly going to started within a week. From 11th of February or 12th of February at least re-examinations will be started. Okay, and results will going to be announced in first week of March probably. So this is the important informations I have to update you all students. So I update you all regarding the re-examination date and the result date, when it will be happened, what are the future course of action students. Okay, to see you, take care, bye bye, stay tuned, and please subscribe my channel for the latest update of the CMA Institute.